Hey guys, this is a good news for you. This is a platform that's called ActorCore. There are so many 3D avatars that are ready for your Unreal Engine 5 game project. So you can just get any of the 3D avatars from here and everything will be ready for your Unreal Engine 5 game. You can see, if you direct import into that, then you can just make it to become any of your NPC or any of your game avatar. So I'm going to show you all the step by step. So now everything start from beginning. I already closed everything that related to the Unreal Engine software. Everything start from beginning. I'm going to show you the true steps, how to get any of the ActorCore 3D avatar to be ready for your Unreal Engine 5 game project. So everything start from beginning. I'm going to just purchase a random avatar from here. I click and click one more time to go to the cart here. And then from here I click checkout. Then you can just use your PayPal or credit card, any of the payment methods. Then just continue. Right here, I just placed the order. It is really easy. Once you directly get from here, you can just click download in my inventory. It is set here. So I click download, and here the target application, I choose the UE5, the Unreal Engine 5 skeleton. The maximum texture size, you can just choose for higher, realistic, and then make sure facial blend shapes apply and embed the texture. Then click download. Right, now it is queuing and just wait for a few more seconds. It is going to start download. Now I'm going to download it, and as demo I will just choose my desktop and download it on my desktop. Just name this as Avatar 01. .zip. The original, it is a zip folder. So I click save, start download. Now check my desktop. It is already here, Avatar 01. I right click, just extract it. So now I already extract it. It is already in the folder. I just double check it. It is inside the folder, Actor. Right now it is here, the FBX file. I'm going to open the Unreal Engine 5. I will show you how to just make it become the game avatar or NPC in just a few seconds. First, I'm going to just launch the Unreal Engine 5.7.2. And here I have to wait for a while. It is loading. Now this is the Unreal editor. I'm going to just create a fresh new game project. Third-person game projects, everything start from beginning. I will show you start from beginning. Now the fresh new game project is loading. A few more seconds. And later, right now this is a fresh new game project, and as demo, if this is the first time you open the Unreal Engine 5.7, you need to just call out the content browser 1, and it will be at the bottom. Just drag it up. So from here, just right click to create a new folder named Avatar 01. Right, then double click in. From here, just import the FBX file, drag and drop into here. Wait for a few seconds. It is going to pop out the importing setting. So now you scroll down. When you see the skeletons, you have to choose the SK Mannequin. This is very important. Then click import. And after that, just wait for a few more seconds. It is importing at here. Done. Once you've done everything, you can see the skeleton mesh is already here. And then just look at the material texture. You have to set it up one more time because now it have a lot of the reflection. The roughness need to set up. Close this. Just right click to create a new material. Just name this as sports follow the avatar's name 0022 underscore material. So you double click it, and then from here you just need to drag in the diffuse, drag in, and after that drag in the normal, and then the opacity. So from here, just set it up properly. Okay, first is the texture. Drag the RGB to the base color, and then the blend mode, change it to become, click the empty area first. You should be able to see the blend mode, change it to become the mask, and then this one, the RGBA, drag it to opacity mask. Then this one, this is the normal. You can just drag and drop to the normal. You also can skip the normal as well if you don't want. You just click save and reopen the skeletal mesh and have a look, have a check. Alright, now next is the roughness. Not yet set the roughness. Back to the material. The roughness here, change it to become 1 and press enter, then click save, then check again. From here, the character, this one you need to change it to become the material that you set, Sport F0022 material. Then click save, done. So you maybe want to set the normal just back to here. The normal RGB, just try, drag it to the normal and save it. Just have a look at the effect first before you change it to anything. Now it should be okay. Now the normal is already done. Alright, then check first, is that everything look okay? Yes, once no problem, we are going to just make her to become the game avatar or NPC. So now I close this window. Yes, this is to save. Now to make her to become the main avatar or NPC, first you need to back to the content folder. You can see before I make any changes, if you try to display the game avatar, the main avatar is the SK Mannequin. We are going to replace it. So I press escape and here drag it up. Go to the third person, go to the blueprint. This one, the BP third person character, just double click it. We are going to change it from here. Click the viewport, click the mesh, click the mesh, click the viewports, and then the skeletal mesh, change it to become your 3D avatar Sports F0022. Then click compile, click save, and close. Now you can see it already become the BP third person character. If you try to play, you can see the main avatar already become this ActorCore 3D avatar. It is really simple. No need much setup. After just in about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you can just make her to become the game avatar. And how to make her become the NPC? It is really simple as well. Just right click this, duplicate it, then just add a NPC at behind. Now to just make her become the NPC, you double click it, go to the event graph. This is the event graph. So from the event graph, from here you can just program your NPC. This is the event graph of the blueprint. You can just program it, everything from here, and make it become interactive. It can interact with the player's avatar. Once you're done already, you need to compile and save again. Of course, from now I never make anything. So now I close this. To just put the NPC into your map, what you need to do is just drag the NPC to your game. You try to play. Now you can see the NPC is already in the game from here. So if you already program it, you can interact with this NPC. It is really easy. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to get any of the ActorCore actors from here, which are game ready for your Unreal Engine 5. And finally, I already show you how to set up everything properly to make it become the game avatar or any of the NPC in your Unreal Engine 5.7 games. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you!